Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change taskbar color on Windows 11 PC and laptop. So let's get straight into it. What we are going to do is head over here and let's go ahead and open the settings. Now that we are here, let's go ahead and look for the personalization here at the left side, and then we're going to head over to colors. I'm going to click that over there, and yeah, there you go. So we have turned on dark mode as of the moment, and what we're going to do is head over to accent colors. So what you can do is change colors according to what you prefer. So for the sake of tutorial, I'm going to show you that yeah, this is dark right now, and let's go ahead and choose something else. Okay, let's say for example yellow, right? Just so we could visibly see it. Now as you can see, nothing happens here down below, but what we're going to do in order to make that changes is head over here, show accent color and start and taskbar. You can go ahead and turn that on. By doing so, you should be able to see here that now it is working. So if you're going to click, for example, this one, you should be able to see here the color of your preference. So yep, that is how you're going to do it. Congratulations everybody, how you're going to change color in your taskbar.